So you guys know I love receiving and reviewing air dusters, and this one is no exception. This one was sent to me by Meco for my true and honest feelings about it. So we're going to get this thing unboxed, see what it comes with, do a demonstration, look at the quality of it, and determine if it's a good value for you. And I do have a 30% off coupon that's going to be good for about 15 to 20 days. So if you want one of these, go ahead down below, check it out. I will have the coupon code for you. It's better than the coupon that they're giving you online currently as I'm posting this video. So you're going to get about $21 off, because this goes for about $70 and $21 off. It brings it to about $52 or so. So anyway, that's the deal. So go ahead and check this out down below. So I did get the blue variant of this. This does come in two other colors, gray and purple. So purple for the ladies out there if you like that, or gray for the guys or the gals, whatever color you choose, this is what you get. You have those choices out there. Now, again, I will just read a couple of the battery actually is kind of unique. It has two 4,000 milliamp batteries installed in this, so there's two batteries. It has 4 gears, like I said. So first gear approximately 60 minutes, second gear approximately 30 minutes, third gear 20 minutes, and fourth gear, if you're running it in turbo, you might get a max of 10 minutes depending on your battery life. So the more you use it, you're going to drain not drain the battery, but your battery is going to degrade over time, right? And you're going to get less and less. That's just kind of the obvious, at least for me, but just letting you know. So anyway, let's get this thing unboxed and check out what's inside. Spoiler alert, I did have this open. I did charge this, so it's not my first time unboxing. I just wanted to make sure it was fully charged, so I didn't have to wait around here, because this does take up to 2.5 hours to charge from a fully dead battery. That's with a 15-watt charger, that is, to get it charged that fast. So we do get an instruction manual. This does come in multiple languages. And there's the packaging. Doesn't look too bad. We get our unit right here, which is pretty nice. We do get a bag to keep all of your accessories in. I don't know why they don't just put them in the bag and then just put it in there, but I guess it's all packaging, because they could have saved on this cardboard. So there's nothing left in there. We open this up and we do get all of our accessories. We do get our power cord, which I already took out, and all the inflating stuff and brushes. So we have this big brush here. We have a two-ended brush here, and there is a nice brush. Actually kind of matches the color. I wonder if all the brushes match the color of these. So we do get all of these attachments here and our power cord. This is a vacuum also, and I do not mean a vacuum to suck up dirt. No, you will ruin this very fast. This is not meant for that. This does not have a built-in filter or a dump body attachment to it, so you can take the dirt and dump it in the trash. I did watch some reviewer online calling this a vacuum and you could suck up stuff. You do that, you're going to ruin this very fast. So there is a fan back here that will suck in air and blow it out this side. So you can actually see there is an in and an out right on top there. It tells you what's the in, what's the out, but your identifier too is on the back. If you can see the fan, that's where it's sucking in the air. What the vacuum is for things like if you want to deflate something like a bed, or I don't know why you want to deflate a balloon with one of these, but something like that, like a beach ball type thing. If you want to do something like that, I'm just making something up in my head, but that's what it's for. For the bed is the prime example. Inflate it with one end, de-inflate it with the other. So just so you know. So these are quick attachments, both ends except all of these. So you can just put them in like that. If you want the bigger one, and so on. And like I said, this back, depending on what you are deflating or inflating, you would put your your end on. And of course, this is for cleaning purposes, so you can clean your keyboards, your mice, your computers. You know, you get them outside, you blow them off, get your fans all cleaned up. This is not going to get rid of grime and grit, you know, anything with kind of like moisture or oil, but you can get that kind of stuff off outside, you know, in an open environment. You can clean off also other things, you know, outside between your cars. You could potentially clean up, like, I would say not a whole car with this, because like if you're going to wash it, you want to blow off the water is my example. You probably wouldn't want to use one of these. It's a little bit on the small side, but you maybe a motorcycle or something like that, something smaller, you'd be able to do no problem. And again, you can just put all of your accessories when you are done with it, all in this fabric bag here, and set it aside for a later use. Now, if we were going to use this as a blower, this does have one trigger and one trigger only, which is very nice. I have worked with other ones which you have to have a separate button to turn it on, then you have to pull the trigger and hold the trigger, so it's a little different. So in order to turn this on, what you would do is the trigger in front, you would do a long press for on, long press for off. Otherwise, it stays on. And you have 4 gears, you tap it once for the next gear. And you do not have to hold any of these. I do like that. So we're going to turn it on. That's gear 1. This is just gear 1. Here's gear 2. I'm way back here. This is about 2.5 feet. 3. There's 4. This does have a USB Type-C charger, which is really, really nice. And it is USB-C to USB-A. So it's kind of convenient. I'm sure in the future, probably with their next gen, they're going to be Type-C to Type-C, because that's just the direction we're going. But just plug it in the back like so. And if I can hold it, is just plug this right into your port on your computer, or any plug or outlet that has a USB Type-A, and this thing will take as much juice as that can provide, up to 15 watts to get this thing charged up. All right, just want to get you guys a closer look at this thing. It is actually pretty nice looking. It's basically the size of a large smartphone. And there's your Type-C port. Oh, we'll turn that around for you. You can see the bottom, you can see a little bit of information. And there's your fan back there. You have your out and in. And that's it. You get a warning label, and this is just held on like this. It's pretty easy. Twist. That's it. Twist it off. Twist it on. And all the fittings, like I said, go on the inlet and the outlet. So, yeah, there it is. I do believe this is a pretty good quality and value with the coupon included. This isn't too bad. It really just fits in your pocket. It's got this nice aluminum housing built onto it. It's not plastic on the outside. This is actual metal. So it makes it slightly heavier, but it really feels like you got something in your hand. And I do like this. It does really compete with a couple of my top competitors that I have received. So take a look at this and see if it's right for you. So if you want to get yourself or a family member or a friend one of these and this precedented bag, you need to check out the description down below and pick yourself up one of these. Again, there is going to be a coupon that is going to be good for a very short time, only to the end of March. That is it. And you will get the max value as far as coupon goes. And other than that, after that, you will be able to get it for whatever coupon they release. So just keep that in mind. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me for this video. don't forget to check this out down below. That's where all the information is going to be for this. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell icon to get notified for any future videos that I do post. And also hit that thumbs up button. Comment down below if you wish. And until next time, guys, take care.